Okay children, today we are going to see in exercise 1.1 fourth problem. Last class we have completed up to third problem. See here, our fourth question is, show that the given equations are consistent and you have to solve this equation by rank method. Okay, see here. These are all the three equations given in our question. You have to write this in matrix form. See, 5. What are all the coefficients of x? 5, 3, 7. Coefficient of y? 3, 26, 2. Coefficient of z? 7. Z க்கு முன்னாடி என்ன நம்பர் இருக்கோ அதுதான் coefficient of z. 2, 10. Write in matrix form. What is our variable? X, y, z, which is equal to 4, 9, 5. Okay, wow. Now you have to write in augmented matrix form. What is, see, this is of the form Ax equal to B. Last class itself I said, what is augmented matrix? You have to write the elements of A as well as the elements of B. This is the augmented matrix. So, AB, our augmented matrix is, write all the elements of A. 5, 3, 7, 3, 26, 2, 7, 2, 10. Then write the elements of B. What are the elements of B here? 4, 9, 5. Include that also. This is the augmented matrix. So now, augmented matrix. How we can solve this? With the help of elementary transformation. So, augmented matrix, then elementary transformation. Draw like this. What is our augmented AB? 5, 3, 7, 4, 3, 26, 2, 9, 7, 2, 10, 5. Now I am going to interchange first row and second row. See here. R1 and R2 I am going to interchange. That means your equivalent matrix is equal to, see, R2 தூக்கி R1 ல போட போறேன், R1 row R2 க்கு கொண்டு வர போறேன். So 3, 26, 2, 9, 5, 3, 7, 4. R3 you have to write as such. Why I am writing this? Because we have to change it in the echelon form. For that only I am interchanging R1 and R2. So again, in echelon form, our first element here to getting enna varano 1 varano. So I am going to divide throughout R1 by 3. So R1, I am going to divide it by 3. So this one I am going to 3 by 3 enna varum 1. Next one 26 by 3. Next 2 by 3. What is 9 by 3? 3. Write second row as such. Third row also as such. Now I got first row, first element 1 vandiruchu. Again I have to get ingila enna varano, I have to get 0. So I am going to change it. See. I am going to change R2. R2 minus 5R1. Because here in R2 la first element is 5. So if I the 5 wala multiply panada, I will get 5 minus 5 0. So only I am writing here R2 is R2 minus 5R1. So this is equivalent to first row appadiye eduthikonga 1, 26 by 3, 2 by 3, 3. R2 now you see here. Multiply by 5, 5 minus 5 na varum 0. Next our element is 3 minus, this one you multiply by 5, 26 into 5 by 3. What is the answer? Here you can solve it. Inge pakkathula nee rough column la solve panikonga. So take LCM 9 minus 130 by 3. That means minus 121 by 3. Our answer is minus 121 by 3. Next you take next element. Here you 7. Appo 7 minus 2 into 5 by 3 aidum. So 7 minus 10 by 3. 21 minus 10 by 3. That means 11 by 3. Next, our last element is 4. So 4 minus 5 3s are 15. 4 minus 15 is what? Minus 11. Have you understood? See now, write third row as such. 7, 2, 10, 5. Now I got 0 here. இப்போ என்ன பண்ணனும்? அதே மாதிரி here also you have to get 0. So I am going to multiply this R1 by 7. Multiply பண்ணி I am going to subtract from R3. So listen. R3 is R3 minus 7 R1. R1 I am going to multiply with 7. So 126 by 3, 2 by 3, 3. Write R2 as such. 121 by 3, 11 by 3 minus 11. Now you multiply with 7. Here 7 minus 7, 0. Next, here you see. R3 is 2 minus 26 into 7 by 3. Now what is the answer? By 3. So our answer is minus 176 6. So what is our answer? Minus 176 by 3. So minus 176 by 3. Now you subtract this 10 minus, here you multiply 7 2s are 14. Minus 14 by 3. Now you take LCM. Our answer is 16 by 3. Our last element is 5. So 5 minus, now we multiply with 7, 21. So minus 16. Now what I am going to do, see. In echelon form, this triangle shape you have to get 0. But that means here also you have to get 0. So I am going to divide throughout. This R2 I am going to divide throughout by 11. This R3 I am going to divide throughout by 16. So write first row as such. 1, 26 by 3, 2 by 3, 3, 0. If you divide by 11, you will get minus 11 by 3. This is 1 by 3. If you divide minus 11 by 11, you will get minus 1. Divide throughout by 16 here. Our R3 you have to divide by 16. Appo enna varum? Minus 11 by 3. Here 1 by 3 minus 1. Have you understood? See? Now also we didn't get 0. If inge 0 varana enna pananum? You have to subtract R3 and R2. So R3 is R3 minus R2. You have to subtract R2 from R3. 1, 26 by 3. Write first row as such. 3, 0, 0, minus 11 by 3, 1 by 3, minus 1, 0. Now you subtract this. If you change the sign, you will get 0. 0, 0, 0. Now at last our last matrix is in. Now we got echelon form of matrix. So how many non-zero rows are here? Non-zero rows na enadhu? Numbers irukka kudadu. That means how many rows are here? Only 2 rows. So our row of A. Now you see only A matrix. Idha mattum pathinga enna varum? How many rows are here? Only 2 rows. Our row of AB. Now you see augmented matrix. Idhula pathingnaala enna varum? Fulla patha enna varum? You will get 2. But it is always less than n. Why? How many variables are here? Enna variables irukku? X, Y, Z. That means 3 unknowns irukku. So it is less than 3. That means nammaloda solution appo eppadi irukum? If row of A, row of AB less than enna irundaduna nama solution enna irukum? It is consistent but with infinite solution. It is consistent with infinite solution. Have you understood? See, idoda sum mudiyala. We have to solve this and we have to find the values of x, y and z. Now we have to rewrite this echelon form. This is our last step. We have to rewrite this echelon form in matrix form for finding the solution. For the value, you have to find the values of x, y and z. Adukka nam enna pandrom? I'm going to write again this in matrix form. See here. 26 by 3, 2 by 3. Next 0, minus 11 by 3, 1 by 3. What are all the variables given in the question? Question enala variables kuduthirukanga? X, y, z, which is equal to our constant values here. This one you have to write minus 0. Now write in equation form. This first one, first element edukku varum x, second one y, third one z. So x plus 26 by 3 y. Here what is here? 2 by 3. 2 by 3 z. With the z you have to write 2 by 3 z. Next our second equation. Here x value is 0. Appa you have to write only y and z. So minus 11 by 3 y plus 1 by 3 z. This is equal to, this one you have to write for first equation. This is for second equation. See our last row fully 0. So no need to write anything. Now we have to solve this. Idu rendayum solve panni we have to get the values of x, y and z. See here. See, already I said what type of solution we will get. We will get only infinite solution. So I am going to keep it as let z is equal to k. K nu or variable kondu varan. K belongs to any real numbers. Enna venalum irkalam. Okay va? Have you understood? So keep it as first equation and second equation. Substitute z is equal to k in 2. Second equation la substitute pannunga. Minus 11 by 3 y. Our second equation is z is equal to minus 1. So minus 11 by 3y instead of z equal to enna podum? You have to substitute k minus 1. So idhula enna kandupidikka porana? I am going to find the value of y. So y enna pandra? I am keep it in left hand side. Idu ellathiyum you take it to right hand side. You bring this term to right hand side kondu vandha enna idum? Minus 1 by 3 k. Now take LCM minus 3 minus k by 3 minus 11 by 3 into y. So இப்போ என்ன பண்ண போறேன்? I am taking minus outside. Minus வெளில எடுத்தனா 3 plus k by 3. Here also minus 11 by 3 y. Now I can cancel. Minus minus 3 get cancelled. So இப்போ என்ன இருக்கும்? 11y is equal to 3 plus k. That means what is the value of y? 3 plus k divided by 11. In the multiplier 11, when you bring it to right hand side, it will goes to denominator. This is the value of y. Next, with the help of y and z, substitute in first equation. Substitute the values of z and y in first equation. What is our first equation? X plus 26 by 3y plus 2 by 3 z is equal to 3. Now substitute here x plus 26 by 3. What is the value of y? 3 plus k by 11 plus 2 by 3. Value of z is k is equal to 3. Now I have to find only the value of x. So I am going to take these two terms to right hand side. அப்ப என்ன வரும்? 3. Already here 3 is there. 3. இப்போ இந்த பக்கம் கொண்டு போனா minus 26 by 3. 3 plus k by 11. This also you bring it to right hand side. அப்ப அதுவும் என்ன ஆயிடும்? Minus k. Take LCM. Our LCM value is 33. So multiply by 33 here. 99 minus, multiply this 26 and 3, 78 minus 26k. This you multiply by 33 varana, you have to multiply by 11 minus 22k divided by 33. Now you solve this, subtract this, you will get 21 minus 48k divided by 33. This is our x value. You have to simplify again. Take 3 outside. Which is common here? You can take 3. That means 7 minus 16k by 33. You can cancel. So x is equal to 7 minus 16k by 11. This is our x value. At last our solution is value of x is 7 minus 16k by 11. Value of y. What is our value of y? 3 plus k by 11. Value of z is k. This means we can substitute any values for k. You will get infinitely many solutions. Infinitely many solution you will get for substituting any values for k. This is our answer. See, next we are going to see our fifth problem. You have to solve this equation by rank method. First you write in matrix form. What is the coefficient of x, y and z here? 1, 1, 1. Next 1, 2, 3. 1, 4, 9. What is the variable here? X, y, z. Write the constant here 3, 4, 6. Now you write this in augmented matrix form. That means already I said write the element of A as well as element of B. Our element of B is 3, 4, 6. Now with the help of elementary transformation I am going to solve this. Our augmented matrix. Then elementary transformation. Write our augmented matrix AB. 3, 4, 1, 4, 9, 6. Already I said we have to solve this and we have to get echelon form. That means here you have to, already here 1 is there. Appa no need to change anything. Here we have to get 0. Inge enna varano? We have to get 0. I am going to write R2 as R2 minus R1. I am going to subtract. Appa enna varum? First row we won't change anything. Ipo idhilandi subtract pannina 0. 2 minus 1, 1. 3 minus 1, 2. 1. Write R3 as such. Next thing, inge enakku 0 varum. So I am going to subtract R3 with R2. So our R3 is R1. That means 0, 1, 2, 1. Now you subtract this 1 minus 1, 0. R3 you have to subtract with R1. 4 minus 1, 3. 8. 6 minus 3 is 3. Now I got 0 here. But in echelon form, here also you have to get 0. Ingeyum 0 varano. So I am going to multiply R2 by 3. Multiply pannita I am going to subtract. So, see, R3 is R3 minus 3R2. Second row I am going to multiply by 3. 3 la multiply panni subtract panna poren. See here, write first row as such. Second row, this is, what is our third row? 0, 0, 3. Second row you multiply by 3 panna enna varum? 3 minus 3, 0. Next 8. 8 minus, if you multiply this, 3 2s are 6. 8 minus 6 enna vaidum? 2. Next 3. 3 minus 3, I will get 0. Now I got 0 here. Again I am going to change this in matrix form. So I got echelon form. So I am going to change it in matrix form. 1, 1, 1. You have to write this one. 0, 1, 2, 0, 0, 2. Our variable is x, y, z, which is equal to, what is our constant we got? 3, 1, 0. Write in equation form. Equation x plus, here everything is 1. First of all, ellame 1 irukadnala x plus y plus z is equal to 3. Second row, x value is 0, y value is 1. Appo y plus 2z is equal to 1. Next last 2z is equal to 0. That means here our z value is 0. Keep it as first equation, second equation. Substitute z value in second equation. That means y plus 2z is equal to 1. Already y value is 0. Sorry, z value is 0. So y is equal to 1. Now I got y value and z value. Now substitute in 1. Our first equation is x plus y plus z is equal to 3. So x plus y value is 1, z value is 0. So x is equal to 3 minus 1, x is equal to 2. At last our solution is, our x value is 2, y value is 1, z value is 0. Have you understood? Now at last we got unique solution. That's all. See students, you have to do all these problems, work out and see. Okay, thank you.